what's growing on? I'm Angie, the plant loving mom, and I'm here to show you my clearance plant haul. Clearance plants are a great way to increase your plants without spending a lot of money. So I got this plant for $3, and it is a syngonium. What I plan to do is I want to cut off these leaves, and you can trim plants. Plants like to be pruned, and it doesn't hurt the plant at all. I'm going to just be cutting those off, and then my plant will look amazing. I got this Pothos, and it came in this decorative ceramic pot, and it looks great. It's vining. The leaves are slightly dirty, so I just plan to wipe those off, and I'll have a beautiful plant. And this whole thing was just $4. If you want the jungle look that's really popular, get a bunch of these, and they propagate really easily. You can just cut them off right here, make a snip, and root it in water. This plant here is from the brand Urban Jungle, and I absolutely adore their pots, but they're normally expensive. This one was $13 before, and that's kind of a lot for just this kind of plant. I like to keep it cheap. I'm on a budget. I have 5 kids, so this as a clearance was an amazing find. I only paid $7 for this whole thing, and this is a Dracaena, and that's a family of plants. A lot of times browning is caused from chlorine in the water, so giving it filtered water will help. The next plant I found was a Chinese evergreen. This plant I got at Lowe's, and it was only $7. Now this is a Yucca plant, and I think the reason it was on clearance was that it was kind of leaning over in its dirt, and all I did was push the dirt back up to it, and it looks great. It's standing tall. I also got some Spanish moss from the floral section at the Dollar Tree and put it around the soil in there. It looks like this, and it just kind of keeps the soil in there covered nicely. And I thought that was, I only used half a bag, so it was about 50 cents. And that is my $7 amazing find. Well, everyone, I just want to remind you to be like the Stegosaurus, eat plants. So keep growing, everybody. Thanks for watching, everybody. While I'm new to YouTube, I'm not new to gardening. So please click the subscribe button for more tips on gardening.